The protocol, Bitcoin halving spectacular with runes EpicSat, stacks Nakamoto. Unlike the last Bitcoin halving, a ho-hum affair where COVID lockdown gawkers had little choice but to tune into live-streamed watch parties, the upcoming Bitcoin halving comes with project launches, competitions, and IRL celebrations in Denver and Costa Rica. It's hard not to draw parallels between the general mood across parts of the planet last week when people were jockeying to glimpse the solar eclipse and the excitement building this week in the Bitcoin community as the blockchain's quadrennial halving approaches. Based on the latest estimates, the halving would arrive sometime in the next few days, possibly on the very meanwhile date of April 20. That's according to the Bitcoin halving countdown clock on the website of the hashrate marketplace NiceHash. Conversely, it's hard not to draw a sharp contrast between this Bitcoin halving and the one that took place 4 years ago, in May 2020, just as the COVID lockdowns were hitting and people were stuck at home with little else to do but stay up late for the livestream geek-outs. Remember when Zoom was just becoming a household word? This time around, IRL halving celebrations are planned in places like Denver and Costa Rica. Another aspect that feels quite different, the host of project launches and strangely lucrative on-chain competitions timed to take place right at the moment of the halving, to some degree a reflection of the building on Bitcoin trend sparked by last year's release of the Ordinals protocol and unveiling of Robin Linus's BitVM. This week's halving could get weird, or goofy, or maybe just awkwardly technical. A list of our preview stories can be found below. In network news, happy halving. Also this week, Solana's patch Vitalix privacy plea, rare Satoshi or Bitcoin. Crypto VC firms are obsessing over DPIN, our Lila Ledesma writes. Top picks from the past week's Protocol Village column. AO Ventures, Kraken, Suku, Internet Computer Protocol, Layer N, $135 million of blockchain project fundraisings. Nebra, Brachain, Puffer, Crypto Valley Exchange, Mayan Finance. Network news. Having a ball. Please see below our previews of the various launches and competitions timed to coincide with the Bitcoin halving. Barely any of this stuff existed 4 years ago, when the last halving took place. There's also some market predictions, runes, KC Rodarmer's protocol for SHT coins. On Bitcoin, set to go live at halving Bitcoin halving his crypto miners racing for EpicSat potentially worth millions. OG Bitcoin Altwo stacks is getting a major overhaul. What Bitcoiners are saying about the upcoming Bitcoin halving equals Goldman cautions against extrapolating previous Bitcoin halving cycles. For price predictions, Bitcoin's outperformance means some of expected post-halving rally may have come early. JP Morgan buy Bitcoin miners ahead of the halving. Bernstein says note. A roundup of CoinDesk's Bitcoin halving coverage can be found here on our extra special landing page. Sol Patch, developers behind the Solana blockchain, pushed out a software update to help address its struggles with network congestion over recent months. Pectra equals Prague plus Electra. Developers behind Ethereum, fresh off this year's Denken upgrade, are homing in on the blockchain's next big upgrade, named Pectra, a portmanteau of Prague the Czech capital and Electra a star, in accordance with the naming convention for these things. Last week the developers signaled that Pectra is likely to include Ethereum Improvement Proposal EIP 3074, a proposed set of code changes for improving the user experience UX of Ethereum wallets, our Margux Nakrik reported. Rare Satoshi era Bitcoin. An early crypto miner moved 50 Bitcoin BTC today after 14 years of leaving the holdings untouched, data shows, joining the rare instances where Bitcoin from the Satoshi era have been transferred, as reported by our Shoria Malwa. The holdings, worth over $3 million, were transferred to 2 wallets, and some of transfers were eventually sent to the crypto exchange Coinbase Coin, analysis tool Lookonchain said in an X post. Privacy is normal, Ethereum company founder Vitalik Buterin wrote on X after Wu Blockchain noted that he transferred 100 ETH, about $325,000 to Railgun, an on-chain system, for private DeFi transactions on Ethereum and Ethereum-compatible blockchains. Possible translation. Mind your own beeswax. Senior crypto engineer salaries typically range from $187,000 to $236,000 at U.S.-based companies, or $137,000 to $186,000 at international-based companies, according to a compensation report released last week by the crypto investment firm Dragonfly. L2's Layer On. High-profile crypto projects keep launching their own Layer 2 chains. Crypto exchange OKX's Polygon-powered Layer 2 X-Layer hits public mainnet WorldCoin. Sam Altman's crypto project is building a Layer 2 chain. Chart shows an acceleration in the number of Layer 2 chains launched each quarter, from the just-released on-chain report Cone 2024 by QuickNode and Artemis, citing data from Altwobeat. Altwo Beat / QuickNode / Artemis Protocol Village. Top picks of the past week from our Protocol Village column, highlighting key blockchain tech upgrades and news. Community Labs CEO Tate Barenbaum. Community Labs Tate Barenbaum, who reportedly raised $30 million while still a teenager for crypto startup Community Labs, has launched Aveo Ventures, a 10-week incubator program dedicated to fostering development on Arweave and AO. According to a message from Barenbaum, over $35 million in capital has already been committed to the investment pool. The program will start in April and culminate in a demo day in June. First on CoinDesk, Kraken, the second biggest US-based crypto exchange, has developed its own wallet, catching up to its rival Coinbase in the product arena and joining a saturated field that also includes major players like MetaMask, Ledger, and Trezor. The new self-custodial Kraken wallet is being releasing Wednesday and will be available to both Kraken users and non-users, CoinDesk is first to report. The wallet will initially support 8 blockchains, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Optimism, Base, Arbitrum, Polygon, and Dogecoin. Suku, a provider of Web3 tools, in collaboration with Alchemy and Privy, has launched Suku Pay, a simple, free and fully non-custodial global money transfer solution. According to the team, leveraging account abstraction, Suku Pay removes the need for initial setup like creating a wallet or remembering a seed phrase while still providing a non-custodial experience. With just a phone number, users can effortlessly send and receive funds without any fees. It's built on the efficient Polygon POS network and utilizes the USC stablecoin. The team behind Internet Computer Protocol (ICP) said that the implementation of Threshold Schnorr will allow to etch runes, trade BRC20 tokens, and unleash the full potential of Bitcoin-based DeFi in Web3, with ICP primed to become Bitcoin Layer 0, according to a message. Layer N, a Layer 2 network on Ethereum, has launched its testnet, following a $5 million funding round supported by Peter Thiel's Founders Fund. Designed as a network of rollups with a unified communication and liquidity layer, Layer N aims to optimize the execution layer for numerous applications while maintaining user-friendly experiences. Feature: DePIN is venture capitalists' latest crypto obsession. Can it match the hype? So much of the cryptocurrency industry lives in the ether, figuratively or literally, data moving around blockchains, lines moving up or down on price graphs, and other largely intangible things. But a hot emerging trend that is venture capitalists salivating promises a direct tie to the real world, running infrastructure with blockchains. Projects like the Helium protocol, which drives a wireless network with a token-powered ecosystem, or Filecoin's data storage platform. The not-so-catchy term for all this is decentralized physical infrastructure networks, which usually gets shortened as DePIN. A catchy amount of money has already been invested, assigned venture capital firms see potential. According to a Crypto.com report, the top DePIN projects have raised more than $1 billion combined. Click here for the full story by Lila-led ESMA Money Center. Fundraisings. Schematic of Nebra's Universal Proof Aggregation Protocol. Nebra, a research and development organization dedicated to the privacy and scaling of blockchain technology through zero-knowledge proof (CKPS), has raised $4.5 million in a combined pre-seed/seed round led by nascent and bankless ventures with the participation of many notable angels such as Tim Bako from Ethereum Foundation, Kartik Talwar from ETH Global, Nick White from Celestia, Sandy Peng and Haichin Shen from Scroll. Blockchain platform Barachain closed oversubscribed Series B funding round, securing $100 million, according to the team. Framework Ventures, one of the earliest VC firms to enter the DeFi space, and Brevin Howard Digital's Abu Dhabi branch company led the round. Liquid restaking protocol Puffer has raised $18 million in a series of funding round, led by Brevin Howard Digital and Electric Capital. Mayan Finance, a cross-chain swap auction protocol on Solana, has raised $3 million in a seed round, led by 6MV and Borderless. Crypto Valley Exchange CVEX, the DeFi protocol set to offer crypto futures and options trading, announced it has raised $7 million across pre-seed and seed fundraising rounds. Mayan Finance, a cross-chain swap auction protocol on Solana, has raised $3 million in a seed round, led by 6MV and Borderless. Data and tokens. The second suit against Uniswap is an opening attack against DeFi Avail. Blockchain Data Availability Project sketches out eligibility for token airdrop chaos at margin. Fi shakes up Solana DeFi's borrow and lend landscape. Athena Labs divides opinion as high yield stirs memories of Terra. Gold-backed PAC token spikes to $2.9 thousand amid geopolitical tension. Sticky liquidity in Doge and SHIB suggests meme tokens have staying power. Ether. Fi Inc.'s $500 million restaking deal with Redstone Oracle's Pepe coin spikes on Coinbase International plan to list perpetual futures. Willem Schrey, building Botanics, a Bitcoin layer 2 that brings the EVM to Bitcoin calendar. April 1819 to Kent 1049, Dubai. April 20 estimate, next Bitcoin halving. May 9-10, Bitcoin Asia, Hong Kong. May 29-31 consensus, Austin, Texas. May 29-31, Bitcoin Seoul. June 11-13, Apex, the XRP Ledger Developer Summit, Amsterdam. July 8-11, FCC, Brussels. July 25-27, Bitcoin 2024, Nashville. August 19-21, Web3 Summit, Berlin. September 19-21, Solana Breakpoint, Singapore. September 1-7, Korea Blockchain Week, Seoul. September 30, October 2, Masari Mainnet, New York. October 9-11, Permissionless, Salt Lake City. October 21-22, Cosmoverse, Dubai. October 23-24, Cardano Summit, Dubai. October 30-31, Chainlink SmartCon, Hong Kong. November 12-14, Deccan 7, Bangkok. November 2021, North American Blockchain Summit, Dallas. February 19-20, 2025, Consensus HK, Hong Kong.